In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the autosave time in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint so your work is saved more frequently and you never lose important progress again. If you've ever had your computer crash or your power go out before hitting save, you know how frustrating it can be. The good news is that Microsoft Office has a built-in AutoRecover feature, and you can easily control how often it saves your work. I'll walk you through the exact steps, and this works in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, or Microsoft PowerPoint. The steps are exactly the same in all three applications, so you can follow along in whichever one you use most often. Once the program is open, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This will open the Backstage view, where you'll see different options like Home, New, Open, and Account. From the menu on the left-hand side, scroll down and click on Options. In some versions, this may be at the very bottom of the list. When you click Options, a new window will appear called Word Options, Excel Options, or PowerPoint Options, depending on the app you're using. Inside this Options window, look at the menu on the left side and click on Save. This section controls how your files are saved and how the AutoRecover feature behaves. Now look toward the middle of the window. You'll see a setting labeled Save AutoRecover Information every blank minutes. This is the setting that determines how often Microsoft Office automatically saves a recovery version of your file in the background. By default, this is usually set to 10 minutes. That means the program saves recovery information every 10 minutes. If your computer shuts down unexpectedly, you could potentially lose up to 10 minutes of work. To make your work safer, click inside the minutes box and change the number to something lower. For example, you can set it to 5 minutes. This means the program will automatically save recovery information every 5 minutes instead of 10. If you want even more protection, you could set it to 2 or 3 minutes. Just keep in mind that very short intervals may slightly increase background activity, but for most modern computers, 5 minutes is a great balance. After you've entered your preferred number of minutes, double-check that the box for Save AutoRecover Information is checked. This ensures the feature is enabled. Once everything looks good, go to the bottom right corner of the Options window and click OK. That's it. Your new AutoRecover time is now saved. From this point forward, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint will automatically save recovery information at the interval you selected. If your system crashes or the application closes unexpectedly, you'll be able to recover a much more recent version of your work the next time you open the program. And just like that, you've successfully changed the autosave or AutoRecover time in Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It only takes a few clicks, but it can save you hours of frustration in the future. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Microsoft Office tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.